Hi Derek, just like to see your Kenwood all working again. CW was not working obviously, so just got a little ordinary Morse key here hooked up to a dummy load. So I'll just show you. Oops. Press send. Okay. So I like that. Difficult to control this keys, there's no base on it, but like so. Alright. And it's chucking out plenty of power there into the dummy load, as you can see, set up. Okay, so CW's all working. You said about your control, a bit of play in it. There's a little bit, there's nothing there to worry about, I think that's what we're talking about, but nothing there that I can see to worry about. But it's all been realigned now, it's bang on frequency, doing exactly what it says on the tin. Alright mate, cheers.